Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Verde Vista, which is located in Padur, Chennai, a project by TVS Emerald. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before everything, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office, the sales gallery, where you'll be getting all the information of the project, and about the land parcel is just behind me, that is just beside the marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, but we are here to connect you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. So this project will be constructed in total 4.79 acres of land parcel with 3 blocks in this project, and all the blocks are with low-rise apartment having basement, ground plus 5 floors, and with low density, that is 355 units. Additionally, all the units are 100% Vastu units, and in this project you will be getting 2 BHK Premium, 2 BHK Classic, 3 BHK Premium, 3 BHK Grand and 4 BHK Lux Premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located in Padur, Chennai, near to Sirisere Sipcot IT Park. Now let me tell you the connectivity. So this road will connect you towards OMR Road in just 700 meters. Now about the further connectivity of the project. You can connect to IT Park in 8 minutes, the Marina Mall in 10 minutes of the project, and Chittanad Hospital in 15 minutes from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, so this project provides you 35 plus luxurious amenities like you can check out. Here is the kids play area, garden area, the clubhouse, swimming pool. Additionally, no vehicle zone on the ground floor, and here is 10% of land parcel for OSR. Now coming to the super built up area, as mentioned, this project provides you 2 BHK Premium, 2 BHK Classic, 3 BHK Premium, 3 BHK Grand and 4 BHK Lux apartment, and 2 BHK Premium is starting from 952 to 965 square feet. 2 BHK Classic starting from 1096 square feet to 1121 square feet. 3 BHK Premium is starting from 1354 to 1383 square feet. 3 BHK Grand 1566 to 1624 square feet. 4 BHK Lux is starting from 1991 to 2676 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the sample flat as well. And then if clients like the project, you can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project, that is Verde Vista, located in Padur, Chennai, a project by TVS Emerald.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.